Top 6. Best impact wrench for tire removal. If you're looking for the best impact wrench for tire removal, here's a collection you've got to see. Let's get started. At any time, you can click the circle for more info and real-time deals. Number 1. DeWalt 20V Max 1/2-inch Cordless Impact Wrench Kit. Number 2. Ingersoll Rand 2235, Best Quality Impact Wrench.
Rheal is all in. It doesn't cut corners or cut anything close to a little slack. Rheal is grease-stained, rust-covered, and frozen solid. It's not for the weak at heart or for the weak at all. Rheal is get it done now, not get it done whenever. Rheal is dedication, innovation, and perspiration. And at Ingersoll Rand, we get real. Rheal is what fuels our passion to create the very best tools on the market. Tools built to be smarter, safer, faster, and stronger. Tools that will always work as hard as you need them to so you can get the job done right. We make real tools for real work because that's what real life demands.
Number 3. NoCry 20V Best Cordless Impact Wrench Kit. Number 4. Makita XWT15Z18V LXT Lithium-Ion Brushless Cordless. Number 5. Avid Power 20V Max Cordless Impact Wrench. Number 6. KIMO 20V cordless impact wrench. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you like this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.